Imagine you're sitting at a coffee shop, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, you see an ad for a bank offering cashback on every purchase. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, that's exactly what Vivid Bank offers. Today, we're diving into how you can open an account with Vivid Bank and start enjoying its unique features. So, let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me share a quick story. I was tired of paying hefty bank fees and dealing with complicated processes. That's when I stumbled upon Vivid Bank. I was intrigued by its promise of cashback and easy-to-use interface. So, I decided to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. Step-by-step guide. Download the app. The first step is to download the Vivid Bank app from your device's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be prompted to create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your identity. To ensure security, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves taking a photo of your ID card or passport. Choose a card. Vivid offers a range of cards to choose from, each with its own unique features and benefits. You can select the card that best suits your needs and preferences. Fund your account. To start using your Vivid account, you'll need to fund it. You can do this by transferring money from your existing bank account or using a debit or credit card. Key features of Vivid Bank. Cashback. One of the most appealing features of Vivid Bank is its cashback program. You'll earn cashback on every purchase you make using your Vivid card. Customizable cards. You can customize your Vivid card with your favorite design or photo. Roundups. Vivid offers a roundup feature that automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest whole number and saves the difference. Goals. You can set financial goals within the app and track your progress towards achieving them. Budgeting. Vivid provides tools to help you manage your finances and create a budget. Additional tips. Explore the app. Take some time to explore the Vivid app and familiarize yourself with its features. Connect your accounts. You can connect your existing bank accounts to Vivid to easily track your spending and income. Refer friends. Earn rewards by referring your friends to Vivid. Vivid Bank is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and rewarding banking experience. With its cashback program, customizable cards, and budgeting tools, it's easy to see why it's so popular. So, if you're tired of traditional banking fees and want to take control of your finances, I highly recommend giving Vivid Bank a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.